If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today, I'm happy to introduce you to the Louie waist bag and Uh-Oh Creations pattern. Now this does come in two sizes. I've done one in the medium and one in the small. These are great. Let me show you how they can be worn first. So you can wear it around your waist. I'm a little bit short, so you can wear it around your waist. It's an adjustable strap, so it will fit all body types. You could also wear it, I might have to lengthen it out, almost like a crossbody bag as well. So you can strengthen it out, lengthen it out, and you could wear it across your front like this. I need to make the strap longer, but the strap is completely adjustable. So you can wear it around your waist, you could wear it as a crossbody, you could wear it as a sling, whatever you like. Let me show you some of the amazing features of this bag. Now this is a soft and a squishy bag. It is super light, which is what we want for when we're wearing something around our waist. It has the adjustable strap along the back. It has a place here, a D-ring that you can hang your keys or what have you on there. On the back, we have a large zipper pocket. And on the inside, we have a double zip closure, and it opens up nice and wide. So that'll hold everything you want. You can see how she is a soft bag. Let me show you the small one. So the small one is quite a bit smaller, but it still has the zipper on the back. And I'll show you the inside of this one. And it's just a little bit smaller there. Compared to my body, I am 5'2". So yeah, a perfect little travel bag when you want to be hands-free and not carrying too much. So it can be made in vinyls, it can be made in canvases, it can be made in leathers. I can make it in whatever you like. So if you're one of my clients and you would like to order one of these, you know what to do. All my information is down below in the description. And if you're part of the bag makers community, I have a tutorial on this one. If it's not up yet, it will be up shortly. Anyways, until the next one, bye.